Let us begin this episode by talking about another important point about while we are importing or linking our CAD files. Let me select and then delete these elements. Sometimes while you are importing or linking your CAD files, the CAD files contain XREF. For instance, in AutoCAD, let me exemplify a case. I want to open a new template. Then I type UN, I set the units per meters, like this way, and after that, from the Insert tab, Attach, then I open and import the test file here. Then I position it at the origin point. Suppose that you are a mechanical engineer or electrical or structural that we want to complete this based on the desired discipline. Then suppose that I wanna draw some pipes here. So I create a layer, I name it pipe, choose the uh, red color, and afterwards we draw the pipe based on the desired path. Like this way, I rename this. I name it domestic hot water, and I create another one, domestic water. Great. And afterwards blue. Great. I use an offset 10 centimeters, and then I consider it another for layer and then we can add more drawings like this way. Afterwards I save the file in XREF, so I have saved this file as XREF, and then I have added some drawings and saved it. Then we get back to Revit, and then if I want to import this XREF file, then you'll see the XREF file is imported and visible. And if I link it, check it out, one of them is linked and the another one is imported, and we can explode the imported file, and when we explode it, watch this, the XREF file is not exploded unless we click on full explode. The important point here is that if XREF enables us to update the main file. Let me open it. Let me make some changes, stretch, and then I stretch it or extend it. And I also, it's okay, I save the file. Watch this. The file is reloaded here. So if I click on it, check it out, it is reloaded. Control S to save it. Then the imported file to Revit cannot be updated as you are concerned, so we cannot update the XREF file, while the linked file we can just reload it. Watch this. As you can see, the XREF file is updated. Since we can easily update the XREF files in Revit as well, while when we import them to Revit, we are not capable to do this. And this is very important to understand, to be understood actually. And another point is about snaps. For instance, after importing the CAD files, as you can see, you can use the snappings on the center lines or wall faces and so on. While we couldn't use the center lines for the IFC files, then we can draw our plan.